What happens to a human in a mountain blizzard? After 10 minutes? After 1 hour? And after 10 hours? After 10 minutes? Your body is already losing heat fast. Intense shivering begins, your skin hurts, and your fingers start going numb. You begin to lose control over your movements. After 1 hour, severe hypothermia sets in. Your mind becomes confused, your speech slows down, you can fall, and might not get back up. After 10 hours, if you've been exposed this whole time, your chances of survival are almost zero. Your organs begin to fail, and your body can no longer fight the cold.